I just woke up to a DM that I receive every single day, which is, Dan, how do I make money online fast with zero experience? So this video is going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, I'm going to be talking about the agency model, but I'm going to simplify it extremely so that you guys with zero experience, have no idea what you're doing, can literally start today and make money within the next 7 to 14 days. So if you follow every step, it doesn't matter what location you're in the world, you can make money with this model. Doesn't matter about your skill set, you can make money with this model. So is this video going to make you a millionaire? No. Is this video going to help you just make some income online so that you can believe in the online space a little bit more and then you'll be able to do the things that you want to do? Yes. And before we start, just give you a bit of an introduction into myself. My name's Dan. I've been in the agency space over 10 years now, scaled multiple successful agencies, and I also run a coaching and consulting business called Client Capital, where I've helped over 150 guys, just like you watching this video, achieve time, location, financial freedom. So let's jump straight into the video. So the model that I'm going to teach you today is a simplified version of the AI growth consultancy system, and we're going to call it just a standard lead generation model. So what is it? Well, first of all, we need to understand we are going to be running ads, specifically Meta, okay, which is Facebook and Instagram, nice and simple, for local businesses. Now, just on this, you do not need ads experience right now for this model, okay? So don't click off this video because you think, well, I already know this, but I don't know how to do it. I'm going to show you how you can sign a client in the next 7 days, completely risk-free to that client. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to quickly pick a niche. Now, a niche needs to be mid-ticket, which essentially means that their service is not like £100. Otherwise, you're not going to get paid very much, right? So we're going to go for something like, let's say, landscaping. Now, I woke up 2 minutes ago, so if there's spelling mistakes, I do apologize. Let's say landscaping. Now, landscaping, average driveway, we're going to say around about 10K in the area that I live, okay? And you can target any area. It doesn't matter where you're based, in the UK, in the world, in the US, it doesn't matter. You can do this, okay? So, average 10K for a driveway. Now, what we are going to be doing is partnering with that landscaping business. And we are going to run ads for them, but we're not going to charge them a monthly retainer. We're not going to charge them a setup fee. We are going to do it for a percentage of revenue. Now, that percentage can be 7.5%. They will cover the ad spend because that's part of your agreement. You will work for free, okay? And what that essentially means is once you get them jobs that convert, you get paid cash, okay? It's as simple as that. So just to kind of go over that one more time, what we're doing is running ads for local businesses, let's say a landscaping business where they have an average ticket price 10K for a driveway. We're going to partner with that landscaping business. We're going to run ads for them for a percentage of their revenue, let's say 7.5%. They are going to cover the ad spend. I'm going to teach you exactly how you can sell this to them in the right way in a second. You're going to work for free. So it's completely risk-free for them. All they're doing is paying £20 a day on ad spend. That is it. Or $20 a day, depending on where you're based, right? Once you get them jobs that convert, you get paid. So that's the model. Now, it's as simple as that. So here's how we're actually going to start this. So really quickly, you're going to come up with a business name. You're going to slap together a logo. You're going to buy an email, which is about £6 a month, okay? The reason why we're going to have an email and a domain is because we don't want to email off our Gmail, okay? We do not want to do it at let's say dan@gmail.com, right? We want it Dan at, and then the domain. So let's say Client Capital in this instance, because that's my coaching and consulting business, okay? So that's just going to help you just get a little bit of presence. Now, we're not going to work on a website. We're not going to spend too much time on a website. We're not going to do any of that shit. We're going to save our money and we're just going to go straight to market. We are then going to go on Google Maps. Simple as that. And when we go onto Google Maps, we are going to find landscaping businesses in the local area. Okay? Now, we are then going to scrape the data. You can use extension tools, okay? Or manually do it. It's as simple as that. If you can't work out the extension tools, no worries. Manually do it. Start literally getting those numbers. You are then going to get your phone, your beautiful phone here, and you are going to give them a call, okay? And here is where it starts to get juicy. First of all, you are going to be afraid of picking up the phone. You don't know what you're doing. You're literally watching a crazy guy from the UK telling you to start a business, and we're currently at 5 minutes in and you've already started dialing, right? Which is crazy. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to say, hi, first name, okay? The reason for my call is we work with landscaping businesses in the local area, but here's how we are different. We run your ads for free and only take a percentage of revenue once you convert that lead into a paying customer. Okay? Simple as that. That's your hook. Now, obviously, you are going to get people to tell you to politely fuck off, and that is part of it. We need to be prepared that not every single person is going to say yes. But I can almost guarantee you, okay, and it will not take you this long, but let's just say you do 500 dials and you use that hook, you will get at least 10 people interested. But let's say you only get one person, okay, from 500 dials. Beautiful. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to say to them as the CTA, which is the call to action, we are not going to say to them, let's book in a sales call. You are not selling them anything, okay? Here's what you're going to do. Perfect. So what I will do is send you the contract that outlines that we have 0 hidden fees and that you don't need to pay us unless we have generated you revenue, okay? It's as simple as that. Now, we then have had a conversation with a client, okay? We've got their email address, we've confirmed it. Obviously, you're gonna have to practice a bit of cold calls, and I don't have time in this video to go through exactly how to handle objections and things like that, but I do have other videos on my channel, so if you are a subscriber, make sure you watch. If you're not a subscriber, get subscribed. This is a good time to do it, right? Takes you 2 seconds, and I wanna give as much good information in comparison to some of the other guys out there, right? So, you have then just literally got a performance-based guy who is interested. You are then going to sign up to DocuSign, free trial, okay? Or another one. Now, this is just a contract signing software. And you are going to slap up a contract on ChatGPT, okay? It's as simple as that. You do not need to go and pay for someone to give you a contract. Your prompt can be, I am a performance-based agency. Can you generate me a contract that outlines the client pays us 7.5% on revenue once jobs have been completed, right? Simple as. Now, you could also put something like add 7-day payment terms, whatever you want to do, okay? If you are unsure and you're watching this video and you're completely unsure of what to put in your contract, let me know in the DMs. My Instagram is down below. I will literally send you a contract. I don't give a shit. I will happily send anyone that is trying in this industry as much information as possible, okay? So please feel free to reach out to me. But it's as simple as that. So you've got a ChatGPT contract. You've got DocuSign. You're then going to send it to the client. Once he signs, you are going to go on an onboarding call. And this is where we are going to get more information on that business. So what we really need to do here is we need to find out what kind of jobs he is actually looking for. Area. We also need to find out what his ideal customer is. And we need to find out if he is running ads already or if he has ever tried running ads, okay? Now, I'm giving you a super simplified version. Onboarding, I have a full video on how to onboard a client. It's as simple as that. Exactly what you need to do to get them set up with Facebook. Now, once you've signed that client, the good thing is your contract signed, you've done the onboarding call. You have just created yourself pressure, okay? And this is where you are going to learn ads. Now, the good thing with learning ads, to be really good at ads, you need to spend a lot of time. But just to get an ad out and learn it for free, you've got my co-founders videos, which I will link below, but there's also loads of other free materials on YouTube, on my school community, whatever it is, to learn ads to get a campaign live as quickly as possible. And the beauty of this is the fact that they're not paying you. So if you fuck up, it's not a problem, okay? They are not paying you. There is no risk to that client. Now, once you do start delivering them leads and they do start converting, you are going to get paid. So, learn ads, deliver leads, the customer converts, you get paid. So, guys, that is the most simplified version of how you can make money online in a matter of days, right? With zero experience. So let me just summarize one last time, okay? What you are doing is running ads, meta ads to be specifically, for local businesses. You are then going to pick a niche, let's say landscaping for the purpose of this video. Average driveway, 10K where I am, okay? You're partnering with that landscaping business. We're going to run ads for them for a percentage of revenue. They will cover the ad spend. You will work for free. There is no risk to them, okay? They can scale their business off the back of your hard work. Fucking beautiful. Sell the shit out of it. Once you get them jobs that convert, you're going to get paid. Now, all you need to do, create a name, create a logo, okay? You don't even have to create a logo, to be honest, but if you want a logo, great. Email, okay, and a domain. £6 a month for an email. A domain is about $10 for the year. Super easy. You're then going to go on Google Maps and you can use a scraper if you want to scrape the data, okay? And you're going to look for landscaping businesses in the local area. Then you are going to do some cold calling. It's as simple as that. You're going to call these companies, say, hi, first name. The reason for my call is we work with landscaping businesses in the local area, but here's how we're different. We run your ads for free and we only take a percentage of revenue once you convert that lead into a paying customer, which means zero risk to you as a business, okay? You're then going to start to understand how to handle those objections. Your call to action is going to be perfect. So what we'll do is we'll send you over the contract that outlines that we have zero hidden fees and that you don't need to pay us unless we have generated you revenue, okay? You're then going to sign up to DocuSign. DocuSign is a free trial. I'm not sponsored, by the way. They're just good, okay? Free trial, no card down. You don't have to spend any money. Everything that I'm teaching you right now is no money, okay? You slap up a contract on ChatGPT. Again, zero money. You don't have to pay for a contract. Or DM me on Instagram, DTBusy. Just say, hey, Dan, I've watched your latest YouTube video. You said that you'd give people a contract. I want my contract. I've got it for you, okay? And then once you have done that, you're going to get more information on the business on an onboarding call. That onboarding call is going to get you basically all of the information you need, so access to their Meta account. For the onboarding call, I've done a full video on my YouTube. So when you get to that point, congratulations, well done. Watch that YouTube video. It'll show you exactly what to do. I don't gatekeep any information on this YouTube channel, okay? Find out what kind of jobs he's actually looking for, the area, what his ideal customer profile is, if he's running ads already or if he's ever tried running ads. Learn all of this stuff about their business. Set up their ads. Start, and once you learn ads, okay? When I say learn ads here, please think about this, right? You don't need to be perfect. This is not going to swallow all of your time. Go on my co-founders YouTube or join our school community or look at other YouTubers, right? I'm not here to try and get you in a funnel right now. Guys, go and look at other YouTubers to teach you how to run ads. Absolutely fine, okay? So many people give you free information. It's a lead generation tactic, okay? All you need to do is just get leads for them. It's super easy to set up. Anyone brain dead could do it, okay? Deliver the leads. The customer converts the leads. You get paid. You're also getting the skills up so that you can actually join this agency space properly. Now, if you're looking to fast track your success so you can start getting some more clients, okay? Or you want to learn more about how we can do the AI growth consultancy model so you can get more retainers, scale to that 5, 10, 20, 30K a month, like some of the guys that I've got inside my group, then just click the link below. Literally, click the link below, sign up, book a call with me directly. I do all the calls myself, and that will essentially allow you to see if you're a good fit for our program and vice versa. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Help your boy out. I'm close to 300 subscribers, so you know what to do. Get in touch with that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.